Well, good morning. It's almost afternoon. We're at Lake Berryessa today. We're gonna do a little bit of bass fishing. It's gonna be really slow. May or may not catch anything. It's gonna be fun though. I'm talking to the camera. So I'm gonna be throwing a big swim bait for a little bit today until I'm bored, and then I'll throw something else. You know, testing out these new waders. Company called Hisea. They sent them over, said take a look at them. So I'm gonna get them wet and see how they are. So far we did a pretty long hike and they're actually pretty comfortable. So I'll check them out. There's gonna be a link in the description to get them. There's also gonna be a promo code right here. So if you want 10% off, use the promo code. They're actually really affordable waders, and they have great features, but I'm gonna test them out today and see if they hold up, and we'll have some fun. Perform the old leak test real quick, you know? Say what?
Any luck finding fish in the water?
Not yet, baby. Busted rod tip. You know? It's ridiculous. Spend all your money on hunting stuff. Then you go fishing every once in a while and realize, oh boy, you need some new stuff. Sounds like a duck taking off. Oh, I did get a bite, dude.
Oh, you did?
I sure did. I thought, oh, that was a bite, and I thought, no, that's silly. First cast with the Ned rig, and then the Ned rig was all wonky. I thought, huh, I don't know if it was a bite.
Dad, did you see that?
That was very good, Lay.
I can do it all the way over there.
Good job.
Daddy, I can see where yours was.
Yeah.
No, it's right there. That was not very, far.
You did a good cast.
Wow. I feel like I got a bite, but my fishing pole is tricking me.
Yeah, they're tricky sometimes. All right, that was good.
I casted it to your side.
You sure did. One of the great mysteries of the world. How fishing line twists this way around and that way around. I don't get it.
Found a smelly treasure.
Not supposed to look like that.
I like this. Nice rocky point, huh?
No, it really was.
That's more of what you want it to look like.
Go catch some fish over off that point. Okay. All right.
got it, John.
Big.
I'm gonna walk around the lake. John doing what he's best at.
Bird nested.
What are you, fly fishing over there now or what?
Yeah, sometimes I get bored of doing, terminal type stuff.
Lele, it's supposed to go in the water.
I didn't do that. I was like, I wasn't looking. I did it like this. I was like that.
Show me a good cast.
You caught nothing.
Yeah, thanks for the reminder.
Dad, that's why you should do it 100 miles. Mom told me.
Do it 100 miles?
You have to do it 100 miles or else you won't catch one.
Okay, how do I do that?
You have to do it with all your might.
So just like
Just like
that?
that.
Alright, so I should catch one now?
Maybe.
Okay. Here's our commentator, giving us all the good advice on how to catch them.
You have to cast it 100 miles. And you have to put it in the shallow part or the light part. And you also have to be very quiet in the water. You can't be loud or else you'll scare them away. You have to be quiet so you can't. And do not ever go in the water and catch them, okay?
Hope you guys caught all that. I'm still a little confused on what exactly has to happen, but we'll get there.
Bye. Daddy,
Yes, dear.
there's mosquitoes up there.
I'm sorry. That's part of being outdoors. There's mosquitoes and all kinds of stuff. All right, fellers and fellettes. We're gonna probably wrap it up today. We're done fishing. Didn't catch anything. Not a big surprise to me, but I seldomly catch anything, so. But the waders worked out great, honestly. I'm probably gonna take them duck hunting soon and give them a little more rigorous test, but they're technically the fishing waders. They're the neoprene fishing waders. If you look on Hisea's website, we'll link it below. I think honestly they're like $80 or something, which I have a similar pair of waders for duck hunting. They cost me like $200, and these ones do the same thing. So 200 gram insulation in the boots and neoprene chest waders for 80 bucks or so, and you'll save 10%, which is $8 if you use the old promo code for CACCIA. But yeah, check them out. They're pretty awesome. Well, I haven't put a lot of time into them, so as far as wear and tear, I can't tell you. But so far, they've been great waders, and they keep you dry when you're in the water. So, what else do you need? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed our little fishing adventure, and stay tuned for some more videos coming up. We're gonna probably diversify content, and you guys are gonna get some random different things, but maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't. Let us know in the comments. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you on the next one. How was that, Johnny?
Oh, it was a blast.
First one of the day,
Yeah.
Probably the only one of the day.
Only one of the day for me.
I was just filming an outro saying we didn't catch nothing today, and then here goes John right around the hill.
Look at that. Bam.
Second one of the day.
Berryessa weeds right there. Best catch of the day.
So, anyway, we've had fun today, and apparently John's the only one that can catch fish around here. Layton's pretty upset about it. She was wanting to catch it, and now she's stomping off. So,
In case they're wondering, caught him on a white swim bait. Kitech. 4.8, I believe.
you guys probably weren't wondering.
They were wondering.
All right, we'll catch you on the next one.